the stone shines bright, we're the folks you call when you want it done right. AOcleaning, rolling in with grit and grace, making those countertops a polished place. From Columbia to St. Louis, we're known everywhere. With over 500 stars, you can trust us to care. We make it shine. Oh yes, we bring it back to life. Natural stone so bright, cutting through your stride. From Belleville to Maryville, we're the talk of the town. With every single sign, we earn that crown. Facebook's got the scoop. YouTube's where we.
Hey guys, with my clients, we are in Maryville, Illinois. We just got done doing their granite countertop clean and polish, and guys, they are blown away with the results. They want to speak to their overall experience with our company. Without further ado, guys, take it away.
Hi, we just want to say Ryan did a great job. He was timely. He did a fantastic job. There's so much shinier. Couldn't be happier. He's gained a new customer.
Very informative.
Very informative. He knows his stuff.
Yes.
And he's licensed.
Awesome. Well, thank you, guys. Let's let everybody know what to expect from our company. And again, enjoy your beautiful countertops. And we'll see you in the future for more services.